So in this video I thought I'd do a comparison between the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro using the RC2 controller. And what I've done it in auto, it's in 4K 25, and also the anti-flicker is on auto. Now obviously with the Mini 4 Pro you got a night setting, whereas obviously with the Mini 5 Pro you haven't got that, but then don't forget it's got a 1-inch sensor. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have them side by side at first, so you can see and get some idea. And then I'm going to put up the Mini 4 Pro by itself, and then the Mini 5 Pro by itself, and then I'll get back to you in the end. So hopefully you did notice a bit of a difference, and that's obviously the Mini 5 Pro did look a lot better. I think the blacks made it look a bit more natural, whereas this, I mean, I still think the Mini 4 Pro is still an amazing drone, but there is a difference. And obviously, if I had put this into Pro and tweaked it a bit, it would probably be amazing. But that's up to you. I did notice when I did the day shot with the Mini 4 Pro and the 5, some people were preferring this one more to this one. So that was surprising, especially for me. Anyway, it'd be great to hear your comments, guys. What do you think one's best? This one or this one? But as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.